Here are 10 ways to enjoy VR again. A simple way to enjoy VR again is to take a break. After playing Gorilla Tag for 1 million hours, you can easily get tired and bored. Taking a break from VR can let our bodies rest and our eyes rest and let us recharge like how we recharge our phones so we can enjoy another million hours of Gorilla Tag if that's what you like. Another way to enjoy VR again is to play with your friends. Now I'm assuming that you, the person sitting across the screen, is very lonely and has no friends to play with. So what you do is just find games to play by yourself. You see, the problem with that is eventually it's gonna get so boring to the point where you might just want to break your quest and throw it away. What I recommend doing is inviting your friends to play a game that supports VR and non-VR, so like Rec Room, Roblox, Phasmophobia, or any one of those. Here's a way to enjoy VR again, and that is staying in touch with the community. Joining the VR community, whether it be VR chat, means that you can talk to different people with different types of culture, humor, and personalities. You can finally make new friends for the very first time in your life, which is boom, crazy. And you can play games with those new friends for the first time. A simple way to enjoy VR again is to try a story game. Here's a secret about me that I don't tell many people, but just for this once, I'll say it. I hate story games. They are very boring to me, and I would rather play a fast-paced shooter, Call of Duty. I wouldn't even touch VR, but that's besides the point. However, playing a story game in VR is just a whole different experience. Like you just wouldn't even get it. Like you're actually in the game rather than looking at it in a flat screen, which will help you be more invested and more immersed into what you're playing. So by playing a story game, you're gonna have way more fun. Here's a fun way to enjoy VR again, and it's by trying social games. And when I say social games or like social experiences, I'm talking about VR chat, Rec Room, or whatever else there is out there. You see, us humans, we are social creatures, and these games are perfect for us. You can try to make new friends for once in your life without actually leaving your home, which I doubt you do anyways. And also in these social experiences like VR chat, you can create your own character and be somebody new. There are also really cool worlds that you get to see and really cool people to talk to. So get out of your comfort zone, you lazy bum, and try out these games. This advice that I'm about to give you is only for the strong. So if you think you can't do this, just skip ahead to this timestamp. Otherwise, keep watching. But in order to enjoy VR again, you have to step out of your comfort zone and create content. Now, when I say create content, I mean make videos on TikTok, maybe Instagram Shorts, YouTube Shorts. It doesn't matter, just make content. Making content can help you create new ideas of things to do in VR and open you up to many different types of friends and other people who are also content creating. It'll just keep VR fresh and help you find things to do. Now, this is a very simple way to enjoy VR again, and that's just buy new accessories. The Quest 2 comes with a head strap that is worse than your grades, and buying new gear means that you can buy a brand new head strap that makes your VR experience more comfortable. Buying a new head strap can also give you more control over your big head while you have a headset on, and this will allow you to turn around faster in games and juke people out faster in Gorilla Tag, and overall improve your reaction time and its speed. This can help you actually fight back in Pavlov rather than get constantly destroyed by a pro like me. To have fun in VR means to try something new. So here's my advice. Try VR fitness games. Now I know most of us sitting and watching this video are lazy, me included, but by playing fitness games, you get to finally be healthy for once in your life and have fun doing it. Now I'm gonna be honest, and I can't even lie to you, bro. I am not following my own advice, and you will not catch me playing these fitness games. But don't let that stop you from trying them at least. Now here's a short and easy way to enjoy VR again, and it's by joining VR events. This can range from like music festivals to world showcases on a game like VR chat, to watching movies with friends on big screen if you have any friends. Just joining VR events could really bring a bunch of people together, and it's just gonna feel like a really fun thing, even though I've never been in a VR event in my life. In order to enjoy VR again, it's time that you start sharing your headset with your friends. The Quest 2 is around like $400, $450, maybe even up to $500 including tax, which is just too expensive for other people to buy. So the best thing to do is just go over to your friend's house or invite them over and share your headset with them. This will let them experience VR for the first time, and for fun, you can put them in a roller coaster game which will make them fall or bust their head or something dangerous. And it's just going to be an overall fun and a great experience to have. If you guys enjoyed this video, watch whatever video is put on the screen. I don't know what it is, but just click on it.